Exploring the rhythms. Understanding the acoustic drum kit. Hello, and welcome to our exciting journey through the world of music and language. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of acoustic drum kits. Whether you're a music enthusiast, an aspiring drummer, or just curious about this instrumental phrase, you're in the right place. Let's uncover the secrets behind the acoustic drum kit and why it's a staple in music across the globe. An acoustic drum kit is a collection of drums and cymbals arranged for one player. Traditionally, it includes a snare drum, bass drum, toms, hi-hat, and cymbals. Each part of the kit has a unique sound and role in creating rhythms. Unlike electronic drums, acoustic drums produce sound through physical interactions, like hitting a drum skin with a stick. They are widely used in many music genres, from jazz to rock. Snare drum. The snare drum stands out for its sharp, cracking sound. It's often used for keeping the beat and adding accents in music. Bass drum. Played using a foot pedal, the bass drum produces a deep, booming sound. It's the foundation of the drum kit's rhythm. Toms. Toms vary in size and pitch, offering a range of tones. They're used for fills and solos in drumming. Hi-hat. The hi-hat consists of two cymbals mounted on a stand, controlled by a foot pedal. It can create both a crisp, closed sound and a loose, open sound. Cymbals. Cymbals add color and dynamics to drumming. They include crash cymbals, ride cymbals, and others, each with a distinct sound. The acoustic drum kit is not just an instrument, it's the heartbeat of a musical ensemble. It sets the tempo, adds rhythm, and brings energy to music. Drummers can vary their playing style to fit different genres, making the drum kit incredibly versatile. Learning to play the acoustic drum kit requires practice and patience. Beginners start by learning basic rhythms and gradually progress to more complex patterns. It's an instrument that allows for creativity and personal expression. Thank you for joining us on this rhythmic adventure. The acoustic drum kit is more than just a set of drums. It's a powerful tool for musical expression. Whether you're a fan of music, a language learner, or a budding drummer, understanding this instrument adds a new layer to your appreciation of music. Keep exploring, keep learning, and let the rhythm move you.